Welcome to SolaWave. In this tutorial, we'll review how to use the SolaWave Wand. The SolaWave Wand is designed to work on hydrated skin, so first things first, start with a clean, makeup-free face. Apply a hydrating topical product. For best results, we recommend using a serum with hyaluronic acid and/or aloe vera, such as the SolaWave Activating Serum, as these ingredients can help to evenly distribute and amplify the wand's microcurrent. If you use multiple serums in your skincare routine, we recommend taking a layering approach by adding your conductive serum or gel as the last serum applied prior to using the wand. If you use oil or SPF, we recommend applying these after using the wand. The head of the SolaWave Wand rotates 90 degrees into two distinct positions: vertical, which goes straight up and down, and a T-bar position when turned. The SolaWave Wand is button-free, so to turn it on, simply pinch the sides of the head. Apply to the area of your face or neck you'd like to treat. The lights, microcurrent, warming, and massage will turn on automatically and stay on as long as the wand remains in contact with your skin. To turn it off, simply lift the SolaWave Wand away from your skin. If the SolaWave Wand is not activating when you press it to your skin, lack of hydration is likely the culprit, so reapply additional serum and try again. We recommend beginning your treatment in the cheek region. Begin at your lower jawline and push in an upward motion towards your ear. Work your way up your face until you reach your under eye area. If desired, feel free to bring your wand over the bridge of your nose. From there, work your way down the side of your nose and upwards across your cheek towards your ear. Next, rotate your wand into a vertical position and begin on the section under your eye. Start on the inner corner of your eye and delicately pull outwards and upwards. With your wand in a vertical position, trace the area around your upper lip as many times as desired. The microcurrent therapy and vibration will promote firmness and better elasticity in this area. To finish, rotate your wand into the horizontal position and begin on your forehead. Start at the top of your eyebrows and work your way up your forehead towards your hairline. Repeat this step while moving across your forehead. SolaWave works well on the neck also. Place the SolaWave Wand on the base of your neck near your clavicle and pull in an upward motion towards your ear. Remember to avoid the center of your neck, as your thyroid is a sensitive area and should not be disturbed. Work your way up your neck until you reach your jawline. And that concludes your SolaWave session. You can now apply any additional serums, creams, moisturizers, or SPF. To clean your wand, we recommend spraying a microfiber cloth or towel with sanitizing spray and then wiping the head. This helps remove any remaining residue and keeps your wand clean and ready for your next session. Be sure to store it in a dry environment away from your sink and shower, as water or steam exposure can damage the device. And there you have it, an easy, therapeutic, and effective at-home skincare session. Now remember, the name of the game here is consistency. We encourage you to use your SolaWave Wand at least 3 to 5 times per week to rejuvenate the appearance of your skin.